They have dismissed the case from the DPP and asked the DPP to charge me instead of the application was to hold me for 14 days, so that has been dismissed. And the court has asked the state to charge me. But in the meantime, as I do investigations, the court has asked I pay a bail of 500,000. So that is contradictory. How do you really say the case is defective and then you ask me to pay a bail and then report to the investigating officer for every day for 10 days? So that is punitive. It's the same as detaining me actually, because you give a very big bail that is hard to raise. I think in this time of Corona, raising $500,000 is next to impossible. So it's giving with one hand and taking with the other. So basically what the magistrate has done is detain me for 10 days, or until I'm able to raise that bail, which is, I think it's unjust. Yes.